here at another possible fishing spot for us to go to. It actually looks really cool. It's under this big bridge. There's a lot of trout here. Some of them. Looks like I got the first fish of today. It's a nice bluegill. Check it out. Alright, so we'll put him back in the water where all of his friends are. Here we go. It's one bluegill today. On a snow shell.
What kind of bluegill is that, too? But I'm gonna keep walking. So I want to come back.
Here we go. Oh my gosh, I think it's a bass. Check out this bass. It's a decent size. It's not too small, not too big. Let's put him back in. Put him right by all these bluegill. There he goes. Ah, they took the worm. That time. There's another nice looking bluegill. It's a nice color. It's a little yellow. Oh, I still have it. Hello there. There's another bluegill. Popped right out of my hand. This bluegill's really nice looking. There's plenty of bluegill in this part of the pond. Minnows. Well, there's usually snakes here. That's a turtle out there. I think that's a turtle that's out there. There might be some nice fish over here in this part of the pond. It's like a little creek. What did I get? I think it's creek chub. Yep, it's creek chub. Oh my gosh, that's a nice size one. Look how cool that this little thing looks. creek chub. All right, back in the water. Oh, missed it. Huh, already. Wow, there are a lot of creek chubs in here. It's already hitting. Got him. Is that a bass? That's a tiny bass. Oh my gosh. It's a baby. I got another bluegill. Looks to be a pink one this time. Pinkish. Right back in the water. I want to get them on the camera. Alright, well it looks like we're about to be starting to pack up here because the fish aren't biting as well anymore. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you think, any places you might want us to go fishing at. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.